In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Wix password. To begin, sign in to your Wix account so you are on the main dashboard or account area. Once you are logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you will see your profile name or account icon. Click on that profile area to open the drop-down menu connected to your account. When the menu appears, select Account Settings. This will take you to the page where Wix stores your personal account preferences and login details. On this page, look near the top for the Login Info section. This area contains the settings related to how you sign in, including your password. Next, find the password field. Beside it, you should see an update link or a small pencil icon, depending on the version of the Wix interface you are seeing. Click that option to begin changing your password. This opens the password update form and allows you to enter your new login information securely. Wix will first ask you to enter your current password. This is an important security step because it confirms that it is really you making the change. Carefully type your existing password in the appropriate field. After that, move to the next field and enter your new password. Then type the same new password again in the Confirm New Password field. Re-entering it helps make sure there are no typing mistakes and that your new password is exactly what you intend to use. Before you continue, take a moment to make sure your new password is something strong and memorable. It is a good idea to use a unique password that you do not reuse on other websites. Also, double-check that both new password fields match exactly, since even a small difference will prevent the update from being accepted. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Update to confirm the change. Wix will then process your request and apply the new password to your account. After that, your account will use the new password the next time you sign in. If the update does not go through, review what you entered and make sure the current password is correct and the new password was typed the same way in both fields. That covers everything you need to know.